We're here at 544 at Mount. Well, welcome, welcome. Yes, yes. Thank you. We have example B in section 9.3. Example B. It says find for this series. What's going on here? S10. What's that mean? Yes, it didn't say sum of the first 10 terms, and they are correct. Not an infinite number of terms, but just the first 10 terms. Is this geometric? 24 divided by 16 is 24 over 16 the same as 36 over 24? Do you get 1.5 both times? Guess what R is? 1.5. Infinite, could you? Why no? R is greater than 1, right? It's outside the acceptable range to find the sum of an infinite series. It has to be between 1 and negative 1. But they don't want us to find the infinite sum. They want us to find the sum of the first 10 terms. Now, if this was arithmetic, you would have to know what the 10th term is, because with the arithmetic formula, it requires un. Does this formula require un? It's u1 over 1 minus r with some more stuff on top. 1 minus r to the n. This is why many students find that this is easier than arithmetic, because you don't need to figure out what the last term is. You need the first term. Do we have it? 16. 1 minus, what's r? We just found it. To the 10th. It's all over 1 minus 1.5. Pause and pull up the calculator. All right, so here's the calculator, and we're just going to go ahead and type the whole numerator in like this. 16 parentheses 1 minus 1.5. So 16, thank you, parentheses, 1 minus 1.5 caret 10. You don't need any other parentheses there. It knows to do the 1.5 to the 10th. Then it will do 1 minus that. Then it will multiply that by 16. So you'll get a numerator of that. Good? Divided by, ready? Divided by, what is 1 minus 1.5? Negative 0.5. I didn't divide. Sorry. Divided by negative 0.5. And you get 1813.28. 1813.28. 1813.28125. Does it make sense that this sum, it's the sum of 10 terms, has a decimal on the end? Let's check. Did we get any decimals in our sequence yet? Will we eventually, though? We're multiplying by 1.5. Does everybody know what I'm asking? We have whole numbers there, so how could the sum... What's this growing by? 1.5. The second term, 24. Third term, 36. Right there, when you multiplied 54 times 1.5, you got 81. What kind of number is 81, even or odd? So when you multiply an odd number by 1.5, what are you going to get? A decimal. Once you get a decimal, when you're multiplying by 1.5, you're going to continue to get decimals. All right? So if you were wondering, how could the answer be a decimal? It's because the terms themselves become decimals. So it makes sense for the sum to be. Okay?